On behalf of our departed friend, colleague, mentor, teacher, I stand here to read just one or two sentences about George as a friend. As friends, we shared many common beliefs and values. Toil and not ask for any rest. Labor and not ask for any reward. For at the end of the day, the Lord shall tell you, well done. Both of us cherished hard work and loyalty to authority. As a mentor, he enabled growth of knowledge and ideas. He enabled knowing what was not and what was wanted. He was credible, a positive role model, genuinely interested in his mentees as an individual, and shared experiences and insight. He had a commanding stature. He exuded power and authority. His presence would be felt, and his friends too would know what is expected at any occasion. He made friends feel that there is something worthwhile in them. Think only of the best, to work only for the best, and to expect only the best. As a colleague, he expected no mediocrity. His assigned responsibilities to be done were to be done the way he would have wanted to do it himself. Just as an example, he assigned me the responsibility of being the director of the University of Nairobi Institute of Tropical and Infectious Diseases, and he gave me the following commands: grow income, get international students, train researchers, capacity build to make Unity a level 4 institution. In biosafety and biosecurity. Yes, one of the important things which I must mention, we trained researchers from arid and semi-arid lands and chose those who are providing care services in health facilities from that region. The objectives were to improve implementable aspects of research and to demystify research as an elitist domain. At the end of 1 year, we had managed to train 180 persons. In capacity building, which became very useful during the Ebola crisis, we trained 244 laboratory staff, including mortuary staff, to be able to manage hemorrhagic fevers such as Ebola. We trained workers in rapid response in cases of emergence of fever and biosecurity. To us, success was what we use, what we chose, what we are, what was true, and what to do, and more importantly, what to give. A friend indeed he was, and I must say I was among those who accompanied him to his in-laws to be. Rest in peace, Omore, till we meet again.